Hello students, do you want to be successful as a student? And I feel the answer to this is yes. Most of the students would want to be successful in their life or successful as a student. So I am Dr. Sujata and I'll be sharing few of the things what I feel is the most important thing to be a successful student. The first thing is you need to focus during your lectures. See that you're attending classes on a regular basis, and whichever class you're attending, see that you're focused. Now what do I actually mean by focus here is while attending your class, see that usually any thoughts don't come to your mind. That happens, that even when the lecture is going on, you have certain thoughts coming up. Try to bring back your thoughts as soon as possible. So what I feel is your focus in lectures is as good as meditation. So you need to get back your thoughts to the lecture as early as possible, even if your mind goes off here and there. So this is one important thing. And what I felt was, during my lectures, I hardly used to even blink my eyes or have any movements of my hand or feet. So this was my focus during my 11th and 12th. And how this will help is that whatever lecture is being taken, so your teacher does reads the topic first, and then he comes to the class. So whatever he is teaching you, if you concentrate, so half of your work is done. So even before reading that part or that particular chapter from your book, if you're listening to the class with proper focus, so you're getting most of it what is being taught in the class. Now the next most important thing what I want to tell you is that when you're going back, so whatever is taught, you're listening to it with proper focus. So you've got most of the key points of the class, so you know how the chapter flows, and you have understood the class. So go back and then see the chapter wherever you're going to in whichever subject it is. Remove the book, see that chapter and try to read it, and prepare your own notes if possible on the same day. So again, how is this going to help you? That already you've heard to that in the class, and your concepts about that particular chapter is going to be most strong. So this is your second most important point, that first you're listening carefully, and then you're going back and just checking that topic again. And the third most important point, the key to success is consistency. So do it always. So whenever the lecture has been taken, you're focusing, then you're going back, you're checking that topic, and you're consistent with what you're doing. Okay, all the best, students.